When the job demands more capacity, more stability, and more durability, the Big Tex 21EH triple axle equipment trailer is built to deliver. A heavy-duty 8-inch I-beam frame provides a strong, stable foundation that supports higher capacity and improves towing stability. A triple axle setup with 3 7,000-pound axles and electric brakes increases capacity while improving weight distribution for a more balanced, stable haul. A mega-sized lockable front toolbox keeps chains, binders, and gear organized and protected while freeing up deck space. Removable tread plate steel fenders protect the tires from debris and can be taken off easily when extra clearance is needed for wider equipment. An adjustable 2 5/16" Demco Easy Latch coupler automatically locks during hookup, helping ensure a secure connection while speeding up the process. A 12,000-pound drop leg jack provides strong, stable support while allowing for quicker setup during hitching and loading. An 83-inch wide deck provides the space needed to haul a wide range of equipment while still maintaining maneuverability on job sites. A treated wood floor delivers a durable working surface that stands up to repeated loading and tough weather conditions. Optional full-width mega ramps make loading easier and more controlled, while providing added access and traction for wider equipment. Full-length rub rail, stake pockets, and integrated D-rings provide multiple secure tie-down points, giving operators flexible options to properly secure different loads. Available in 22 and 24-foot lengths, the 21EH allows operators to choose the right configuration for their equipment and workload. From heavy-duty construction to everyday usability, the Big Tex 21EH is built to handle demanding equipment and keep your work moving. Big Tex Trailers, with you for the long haul.